Hey everyone, welcome back to FibonacciPi. Today, we are starting our journey into C#, one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly programming language used for building desktop applications, web applications, games, and many more. Let's understand what C# really is and how its basic syntax works. So, what exactly is C#? C# is a modern object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft. It runs on .NET Framework or .NET Core, which means it can work across different platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, or even on the web. Think of it like this: C# is a language and .NET is the world where your code lives and runs. Now, let's look at a simple C# program. This small program does a lot. Using system tells the compiler we are using built-in .NET libraries. Class program, everything in C# lives inside a class. Static void main, this is the entry point of every C# application, and inside console.writeLine hello world simply prints the text hello world. In C#, the syntax is clean and structured. Every statement ends with semicolon. Curly braces define blocks of code, for example, inside a class or a method. C# is case sensitive, so main and main different thing. And remember, spacing doesn't matter much, but proper indentation makes your code readable. Learning C# opens doors to web applications, games, desktop applications, and even mobile development. It's a perfect blend of simplicity and power, and a great fast language for students if you can complete it. So that's your first step into the world of C#. In the next video, we'll explore variables, data types, and constants. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you would like to learn in the next. Thanks for watching FibonacciPi. Keep coding, keep creating, and keep learning.